Hello everyone, today again we are with Think Green EVS book of class 4. Today we shall start with chapter 8, our clothes. You know, our clothes, everybody wears clothes. They are of different colors, of different patterns and different types and different for different persons, like for children, for girls, for boys, for ladies and for different purposes. And have you noticed that clothes are worn according to ceremonies, according to occasion, according to our age, and according to our weather conditions also. So let us know much more about our clothes today. Long ago, people used to live in forests and did not wear clothes. Yes, many years ago, in the civilizations, when the civilization started, people did not know how to make clothes, how to wear clothes. Our civilization, our way of living was not much developed. So that time people used to live in forest and they did not wear any clothes. Okay, they did not wear any clothes. They covered their bodies with leaves, bark of trees and animal skins. In the ancient time, what did the people used to wear as clothes? People used to wear leaves, barks of trees and skin of animals as clothes. Later, they learned to weave clothes using threads of cotton and silk. They have come to know with the plants that this is cotton, this is silk. They learned to make the thread and to weave the thread also. Then they started making clothes. And now though they are much more perfect in that. Different type of clothes, different type of materials are available. They also used wool from sheep to make warm clothes for winter. Do you recognize this famous character? This. Yes, he used to live in jungle. Can you guess what his clothes were made up of? Yes, earlier the clothes were made up of animal skin. But as time passed, men found different materials to make his clothes. Yes, अपने कपड़े बनाने के लिए उसने अलग अलग टाइप के मटेरियल इन्वेंट कर लिए. Why do we wear clothes? हम पहनते क्यों हैं कपड़े? Clothes cover the body and protect us from heat, dust, insect bite, rain and cold. Yes, clothes protects us from heat, dust, insect bites, rain and cold. Clothes must be comfortable. They also make us look smart, stylish and beautiful. Sometimes the clothes also help to describe the job of a person. Yes, dress, uniform also. Clothes and weather. We wear different clothes according to the weather. In the summer season, whether you know summer, winter, rain, इसी टाइप में clothes का difference होता है, different type के clothes पहनते हैं हम. In summer season, it is hot. So we sweat a lot, पसीना भी बहुत आता है, गर्मी बहुत लगती है. Do we want heavy clothes that time? No. Light clothes, light colored clothes do not absorb much heat and keep us cool. Yes, light color clothes ज़्यादा heat को भी absorb नहीं करते हैं और हमें cool भी रखते हैं. Okay, clothes made of cotton absorb sweat. पसीना भी सोख लेते हैं. And loose fitting clothes let the air in. Yes, that time we feel more comfortable in such clothes. In summer clothes, we feel more comfortable in summer. What do we wear in that? We wear light colored clothes. Why do we wear light colored clothes? Because light colored clothes do not absorb much heat and keep us cool. Why do we prefer cotton clothes? Cotton clothes absorb sweat. Why do we wear loose fitting clothes? Because loose fitting clothes let the air in and we feel much more comfortable in that. During the winter season, we wear thick clothes. Yes, मोटे कपड़े. They are made of wool, fur, leather or flannel, etc. They keep us and keep our body warm. These thick clothes keep our body warm. During rainy season, we wear a raincoat and gum boots. Raincoats are made from waterproof material and gum boots are made from rubber. So you have noticed in summer we wear light clothes, light color clothes, okay, loose fitting clothes. In winters we wear thick clothes, warm clothes, woolen clothes, and in rainy season we wear raincoat, gum boots, waterproof clothes made of waterproof material and boots made of rubber. So material for clothes. What are the materials used to make clothes? As we have read that summer season clothes are made of cotton, winter season are made of wool or fur or leather or flannel, etc. So let us see where do we get these things. Materials can be made from natural fiber material available in nature or synthetic fiber man-made. मटीरियल अवेलेबल इन नेचर तो हमें प्लांट से मिलता है, एनिमल से मिलता है, एंड मैन मेड एक मिक्सिंग करके एक थ्रेड खुद ह्यूमन ने डेवलप किया है. ओके, दैट इज मैन मेड मटीरियल. वूल एंड कॉटन. अर्ली मैन डिस्कवर्ड द शीप हेयर. वूल कैन बी रोल्ड इनटू अ लूज yarn for weaving into cloth. Hence he started to make wool in clothes. Men also learned to make fiber from plants like cotton. और cotton से भी उन्होंने clothes, cotton से भी उन्होंने thread बनाना start किया. And then after they made the yarn of it, they weave it and make the long cloth for us. Silk. In China, men discovered how to use the fine thread from the cocoon of the silkworm. Okay, to weave beautiful silk fabric. Silk clothes. Nylon. Man has also learned to make synthetic fiber from crude oil. Crude oil. This is used to weave a fabric called nylon and rayon. Let us see how these fibers work. How these fibers are changed to fabric. इस फाइबर को फैब्रिक में क्लोथ में कैसे चेंज किया है? See what they have done. Spinning. You can see that different processes are there. Observe this carefully. Okay. The raw fibers, cotton, silk, wool or synthetic fibers are twisted to make thread or yarn. Yes, these fibers are twisted to make thread or yarn. This is called spinning. What is spinning? Raw fiber, cotton, silk, wool or synthetic fibers are twisted to make thread or yarn is called spinning. This spinning was earlier done on a charkha in India. Later on, the spinning jenny was used. Now sophisticated machines in textile factories do their work. Mahatma Gandhi encouraged the use of hand-woven fabric, khadi. Yes, what was khadi? Cotton clothes. Weaving in the second step. Weaving, bunna. The yarn or thread is made into fabric. इसको fabric में बनाया. Then we have to make the yarn of it, make this reels of this, and then weaving. इसको बुन रहे हैं. You can see in this picture. The yarn or thread is made into fabric by weaving on big machines that are called looms. That big machines are called, weaving machines are called looms. These looms crisscross the long threads to weave them into a fabric or cloth. Crisscross is a type of weaving. इसको weave करने के लिए एक पैटर्न है जो कि 2 threads are there. एक को up side लेते हैं पहले, फिर दूसरे को down side लेते हैं, so that it makes a net like thing. Okay, and it's woven. This is the pattern of weaving. Many weavers weave the thread on hand looms by hand. Yes, earlier this was done, and still also somewhere you can find this, that looms are used to weave the clothes. The world today buys sarees woven on looms by weavers of Banaras, West Bengal, etc. Yes, still there are material available that is made on looms. Now fabric is made on par or mechanized looms also. Fabric are later dyed to get colorful materials, and then after they are dyed, colorful patterns are made on that to make it more beautiful. Threads which go top to bottom are called warp. Thread which go top to bottom are called warps. Furnishing of the fabric. Furnishing of the fabric या dyeing. The process by which a fabric is given color is called dyeing. The fabric is put into large vessels. Vessels means pots, bartan, containing hot water with different color dyes. Mix in them. Then the fabric is dried and we have the colored fabric ready to use or print. Now, beautiful patterns are printed on the colored fabric. This is done in various ways. The final stage of the finishing step is when a special treatment is given to the fabric that makes it waterproof or stops it from shrinking and wrinkling. This makes the fabric smooth and gives it a shine too. The fabric is now ready for fashioning into clothes. Care of our clothes. Different type of clothes are kept in different manner to keep them safe from insects. We must take care of our clothes or they will get damaged or torn. We must wash our clothes regularly in clean water using soap or detergent powder. These clothes must be rinsed well so that detergent or soap is not left in them. We can dip washed white clothes in indigo powder, Neil, before dyeing to maintain their whiteness. Yes, how do we take care of our clothes? जो हमारे पास है, white clothes का अलग केयर करना पड़ता है, woolen clothes का अलग केयर करना पड़ता है, cotton clothes का अलग तरीके से है, सिल्क क्लोथ्स का डिफरेंट तरीके से एंड सम आर नॉट वॉशेबल, हैंड वॉश वाले भी नहीं है सब. सिल्क एंड वूलन क्लोथ्स आर डेलिकेट एंड एक्सपेंसिव. दे शुड ईदर बी वॉश्ड इन माइल्ड डिटर्जेंट और ड्राई क्लीन. ड्राई क्लीनिंग भी करानी पड़ती है बिकॉज वो वाटर से क्लीन नहीं किए जा सकते. आफ्टर द क्लोथ्स आर ड्राई वी मस्ट आयरन देम. Unironed or crumpled clothes make a person look very untidy and unkempt. That doesn't look nice. So iron your clothes well. Storage. Care should be taken while storing the clothes. They should be kept in safe, clean and dry place like a trunk or cupboard. These places should be safe from rats and insects. Insects and mites mostly attack woolen or silk clothes. To keep them safe, dried neem leaves, boric acid powder or naphthalene balls are used. What are used to keep them safe? Neem leaves, boric acid powder and naphthalene ball. Learn these three things and learn the spelling of naphthalene balls also. These are kept inside our clothes when they are stored. Now let us know keywords. Fiber. A substance which can be woven or spun. What is fiber? A substance which can be woven or spun. Spinning. Twisting the fiber to make thread or yarn. Spinning. Twisting the fiber to make thread or yarn. Charkha. A simple spinning machine. What is charkha? A simple spinning machine. Synthetic fiber. Fiber that is not obtained from a plant or an animal source. Man-made fiber. Okay. Dry cleaning. The process of cleaning clothes with water. The process of cleaning clothes without water. Dry cleaning means dry type से clean करना है, not with water. Without water. The process of cleaning clothes without water. Now here is the gist of this lesson, this chapter, and the things to remember are: clothes cover our body and protect us from heat, dust, insect, rain and cold. We wear different clothes according to the changing season and profession. Do you agree with this? Yes. Clothes are made from natural and synthetic materials. Have you observed that? Have you experienced that clothes are made from natural and synthetic materials? Yes. Spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing and stitching are the stages involved in making clothes. Learn these. What are the stages of making clothes? Spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing and stitching. We must take proper care of our clothes to make them last longer. Clothes should be stored carefully to keep away insects. Fiber, then spinning of fiber, then yarn banana, weaving of yarn, fabric banana, dyeing, then printing, then finishing and tailoring. These are the steps to prepare a cloth. So remember this, try out the exercises also. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.